Hello, and welcome back to another video. And today we are backing Crew Motorfest. But today we're starting off without going to the race that is currently 28 yards away from me. We are going. Actually, this menu can still work. To go to shop. And today we'll be buying a new vehicle with the 800,000. We're gonna see what good vehicles are in stock. So we've got Azarifs. They're okay. Don't want an Acura. Alfa Romero, they do have some nice cars. Like this. This is also nice. But no. An Audi could be good. As KSI type wrap. Okay, we've got Bentley. BMW could be good. I could try and buy an old M4 or something. That could work. Yeah, it's a normal M4. Could go for like an M5 CS. Why did I press that? Wrong button. Bro, I am dumb. I could buy myself like a Lambo. But I want a good... Oh, flip. I went for a couple of cars. Okay, well, there's no point in me looking at Bugattis. Because I definitely don't have enough. Could get a DeLorean. What's this? Could get a normal DeLorean. Maybe for a future. Oh, Hell Kitty. $350 for this Hellcat. $215 for this Hellcat. That's not a Hellcat. This is. But they have a Challenger. I have an idea, but only a couple people know for future episodes. For a future episode, people will find out what I'll do when I buy that. And if you already find out, then good job. I could go for a silver, but I feel like a classic one is a red, a dark red. Ain't got even that much. So, let's buy our new Hell Kitty. Hellcat still, but let's customize it. You know what? I feel like I'll go for that. I like this. $40,000 that is. Yes, new skirts on carbon fiber, rear fender. Yes, I do. Rear wing. I don't want a spoiler. That's just a bit weird. Yeah, that. What's a max bumper? Oh. Ooh. I feel like I actually kind of like this one. And the interior colour. Nah, let's go with a red. Nice. The Hellcat has been custom made. Whew. Let's see how this thing runs. Because this is a new vehicle for now. But before we get into doing some test driving, let's get into our playlist. That Dodge is going to be so nice to drive. And it's going to sound so nice. But the Charger RT, I'm going to customize it. But I'm going to create an episode on it so people can see how to custom make what I want to make. We're in this BMW. Ooh! I had a choice to get this at the beginning of the game. I had a choice, this, something else, and, well, 3 others. And I chose a different one. Right now I'm taking photos. Okay, I don't understand what he's speaking. But it's actually quite a nice, ride. But because it is around the Christmas time, I will probably be doing a couple, I might do some Roblox videos again, like a couple of just there are some Christmas. I want to see what updates they have in some of the games, so I might be filming some Roblox videos, probably starting from next time I post, so around tomorrow. We might have some Roblox coming back from a lot of crew, and then before that the Minecraft. But yeah, we might be having a bit of Roblox, because a couple of times I've logged on there to see what things have happened, and a lot of games have Christmas updates. And we'll see if any of the games we've played before have had an update or a new game that we could play. But if you do end up having any other game ideas, do just shove them in the comments and I can see what they are and maybe play them. And also I might give you a shout out. So if you send a comment on a game, I will give you a shout out most likely in the next video upcoming. Or at the end, well, not really the end, but next video. But if you are enjoying this motorfest playlist, just enjoy it, because got a lot of it coming. We're probably 35% the way of completing all the playlists. And I know there's a Lamborghini one somewhere, and it's on the map. But you have to own a Lamborghini to be able to get into it. Oh, really? An I-8 Roadster just trying to beat me? Brr. Okay, I'm being cooked. I'm being screwed. Bro! No. We're going quite far back. I want to make a comeback here. Oh, we're in third place. Second place. Second still. Clean drift. About to pop into first. Alright, in first place. Let's go. Clean drift. Please stay on the road. And I might be put in second place. Who knows what the game... Oh, okay, the people are being generous today. Okay, now it's a straight line, basically. Full steam ahead. That mainly questions who has the fastest car here. Comes out on top. I most likely will be posting over Christmas, but I won't be I would be filming the videos before Christmas. So it wouldn't be exactly, I wouldn't be able to give people shout outs unless there wasn't a video before. Alright. Oh, I love the Dodge. To be honest, I'm about to give it a good old drop. Whoop. Oh, I'm going on here now. Oops. I wanted to go in first person. We're about to see this thing purr and speed. Ooh. Oh yeah. Right, I'm enjoying this vehicle. I know this cereal. It's a famous Ford. I don't know what a famous Ford could be. Oh my god, is it a Shelby? No. No, it's a Bronco. Okay. Okay then. Our objective, finish. Finish the event. We'll do. We will win. Very good. After this, I might take the Dodge out for a good old drive. Might go drive around the place. Why is this thing so slow? It was a Hawaii edition as well. Oh my god, the stuff actually moves in the back. What the? Nah, that's crazy. What do you mean this is the exact car we need today? I'm driving on the road. I'm in last place. Okay. I spoke too soon. Not spook too soon. I'm in 7th. 6th place is actually like... Alright, 6th place. Beaten. Now on to 5th. Come on, let's beat him as well. Alright, 5th place down. Alright, 4th place down. I'll flip. Alright, in 3rd. 3rd down. Oh, God. Come on. Catch up. Oh, flip. Alright, 2nd place might be. Almost failed there for a second. 2nd place down. 1st place down. Nice. Let's go. 1st place. That's the vibe. Oh, being rear-ended. Come on. This reminds me of Forza Horizon 5, but I believe we are also in Mexico, so it's like technically the same. But besides these ramps being there, but I wanted to ramp up them rocks. Come on. Full steam ahead. We're quite close. All clean drift. Ah, bro, that was just nasty drifts. God damn. Come on. I'm beating all of them. It's good. I believe that's like a 4 photo. Nah, still 3. Or me. Let's go. Let's go. Well, now we're about to drive the Dodge around for a bit. Woo! This thing sounds sweet. Ow. Move, boy. But if any of you do end up figuring out what I'm going to be using the Challenger, the Dodge, well, yeah, the Dodge. Is it Dodge? Yeah. Yeah. A Dodge Challenger RTR I don't want to give where it's from because it's too big of a hint. It is a famous car, but it's also been in something. If you do know, you can type it in the comments. And I will reply to either yes or no if it's true or not. Well, that is where we'll leave it. So, goodbye.